قلبي في التسجيل انا بتقول على
Ha? Yes, papatay. Ay. Napintas imanay huluay.
O yan, yun yung tinatawag doon sa amin ng Rhode Island.
Rhode Island?
Oo, Rhode Island. Galing ibang bansa na mga manok.
Mga manok. Pintas ay huluay. Mayat si puunan. Nahulo. Ay. Nagas dihang Uber.
It's a miracle.
Nata man.
There's no e-face.
Kasi may nagbabantay na, may...
No, I mean, kahit kaya punta ko na.
There's water right there. I'm marking you with my flashlight. Water. No. You didn't. There's water right there. Wait, this is a wall. Look at him. Wait, we went there. We went here. We went there. Go down. Let's go down.
Nasa uncle? Barangay Hall. This is our church. Hinara, this is our church.
Huh? Wait, what? How can we make it all the way to here? That's,
Atak tumun alas kaktanas imulak sidi.
oh, that's our church? Yeah.
Dia. Imun muna na to.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
Seeds.
Wait, do we go down? Let's go straight. Yeah, let's go straight.
Ayo, wadanan.
Wait! This has to go back. All of this broken gone. Step over.
Sino ka nga? What is you? Who are you? Sino pa yun? Nagan mo abus. Wow. Alsa-alsam no. Asan bugnay na? Chian. Asan bugnay na? Bakan, bisa. Alsa-alsam no. Ini-imis. Kung alsa-alsam, imis pa lang na. Sobra akaabuhay.
He's not our owner. He's finding his owner.
You did.
Wait, he's finding his owner. Bro, he likes us.
Yung pas mo yun din.
He wants to be our owner.
Yeah?
Wait, I think he's gonna fall.
Ito sa money problem. Sa, oh. Come here, Eden.
Come here, you ugly dog. Just now.
Ayan, meron na pakitse.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Hi guys, let's go race. But he's our owner.
Guys, let's go race the
He
dog.
follows us. He follows us.
Guys, let's go race the dog.
No. Three. Hey, three.
Kano pa na, mantadumpay na. Ay, mantadumpay na para gilil-gilipid kasi na niya. Okay, tagka ka de. Ang ildas de, amay sili dat amay sinukas de. Inok, ada ko matay, delikado mo talaga na. Ay. Ada ko matay, ungas na yaman. Ayo din. Hoy! Stop shouting!
That's Johan. I'm going here.
Siyempre. Kape. Aki pa na sasabat na kung sakit. Sarap.
Alay, away ka din kaano ka din ay ganas no may silinaw.
That's the banana tree.
Where's the coconut tree? Where does the banana even grow? I don't know.
This is sayuti. Look at the sayuti.
Maybe.
You know the sayuti?
No. Huh?
The sayuti.
No, we don't know.
Okay. But you... No, you know the sayuti. Come here, guys. Come here.
I don't want to go there.
No, here.
It looks scary. I'm ready
The one,
to bring out
the one Mama's cooking.
Huh?
The one Mama's cooking. You know that? See? See this one? You know this one?
Oh, that one?
You know that one?
Oh.
You know that one? That's the sayuti. This is the leaves of sayuti. So that you will know. But there's no bagas na. Wala nang bagas dito.
Yeah, I thought we were going.
Yeah, we're going. Okay, let's go. Yeah, put your hood.
I do.
Hello. See that lady holding? That's a sayuti. That's grandma. That's grandma, Gayan. That's grandma. Anak ka na idadaan na to na. Yeah. That's the way they hold the baby here. They put it in the back.
So we can work.
Yeah, so that it can work.
Well, how did you do that?
Huh? That's
How do I hold it? Is
How-
it magic?
yeah, it's magic. Okay, it's fine. Because I cannot explain. That's why. Nakamiss din ante.
How is he doing that?
You're amazed?
Floating.
You're amazed?
Yeah, how is the baby floating?
So, see, look at that. There's a bayabas there. There's a papaya. You see the papaya?
Is that a papaya?
Yeah, it's a papaya. That's a papaya tree.
Papaya tree. Have
It
you
is-
seen a coconut tree anywhere?
Coconut tree. There's no coconut tree here.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, let's go.
And let's go. Go!